Welcome to the overview of My Spanish Trainer. When you first start My Spanish Trainer, this is the screen you will see. Notice the buttons across the top of the application. These buttons are divided into three groups. The first group of buttons on the left side of the toolbar relate to the reference material that make up the My Spanish Trainer product. All three buttons in this group are always enabled because they are always available to select from. Also notice that the Language Notes button is highlighted in blue. Blue highlighting indicates that the item is the currently selected item in that group. The second group of buttons toward the middle of the toolbar relate to the current unit of material you're studying. When first started, no unit is selected, so you will not see a unit number in the unit drop-down box. You will see the regular units button highlighted in blue because that is the currently selected unit type that you can work with. The My Spanish Trainer product does not ship with any custom units, so you will always see the Custom Units button disabled. This has been added for future product improvements. The third group of buttons on the right side of the toolbar refer to the three major functions of learning that you can do within the currently selected unit. Notice there's vocabulary, sentences, and self-testing. When the application starts, all three of these buttons are disabled because no unit has been selected from the unit drop-down box. However, when you select a unit to work with, all three of these buttons will become enabled. There will be more about this in later videos. Please note that the four status boxes located at the bottom of the main application window are functioning. The first one displays the currently active function. As you click on the various buttons at the top of the screen, the status indicator shows you which function is active. The other status indicator you should be aware of is the last one. This is the one that displays the build date of the software you're running on your computer. You should periodically check the website to see if there is a newer version of build date than the one you're currently running. You should do this for several reasons. More content will be added to the My Spanish Trainer product over time, as well as additional functions. Code fixes will also be applied over time in new builds. We will only support the most recent build of My Spanish Trainer, so it's important to periodically ensure that you have the most recent build running on your computer to maximize your functionality and content and minimize the chance that you experience any errors. This concludes the overview of the My Spanish Trainer product. Please proceed to the next video for additional training.